want to know the domain for this. In other words, we want to know for what value of x this would becomes undefined. Anybody know how to get started with this one? How do you check for what value of x this is undefined? Anybody? What is it we cannot have at the bottom of the fraction?
Is it 0?
0. We cannot have 5x squared minus 3x minus 8 be equal to 0. So I'm going to put it cannot be equal to 0. So now we need to factor this and just basically solve that and find those values. Now, if you don't know how to factor, if you're not comfortable with factoring, you need to spend some time to review that. And we have a lot of good problems in class to practice that. So you really need to learn how to factor trinomials. So I already solved this in advance for you here. Once you factor this for 5x squared, you put 5x and x. For 8, the possibility would be 8 and 1 or 1 and 8. So if you see, if you multiply the two closest term and two furthest term, you get minus 8x, 5x, and this would add up to minus 3x if 8 is minus and 5 is plus. So you really need to practice how to factor trinomials like this. And once you do that, you just solve each of these parentheses individually and say, okay, x cannot be equal to 8 over 5, x cannot be equal to minus 1, and looks like the correct answer here would be D.